guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys is my June Fashionsta box. All right, so the theme for June is Beyoutiful. Let's see what we got here this month. So first thing in here is from Timi, and this is a Soothe Facial Oil, Lavender and Sage, and it's tea infused. This retails for $40, infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide a deep calming sensation to the skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Perfect for all skin types. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Look how interesting that looks. You see like all the seeds in there? Nice. Definitely smells like woodsy, like herbally, like I tell you guys. All right, next thing in here is from Lovito Beauty, and this is an age away hydrating cream, and it retails for $55. It says it has evening primrose seed, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed. Sea buckthorn is really good for your skin. I had some moisturizers on a whole like skincare line that had sea buckthorn, and it was really good. So I'm excited to try this out. This is what it looks like. Because you guys know that I don't really want to get that many moisturizers because I have many and I have favorites. But this one is interesting. I'm very interested in trying this out. And it seems like it would be like Hebrew, like it's from Israel or something. Yes, it's made in Israel. Interesting. I like that. So it revitalizes, hydrates, and repairs, and it's dermatologically tested. So it says it balances the skin's moisture levels, it improves the skin texture and the tone, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. Next thing in here is from Floss Beauty, and this is called Lip Advocate, and it's $18. This is the packaging. So this is a sheer lip tint. It formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. So it says you could apply it over your favorite lip product or by itself. So this is the color. Let's swatch it and see. Oh, I like this. This is like a nice soft lip gloss kind of color. You know, like those days where you just kind of want like a little flush of like your skin, but I mean your lips, but better. That. Next thing in here is from, who is this from? Oh, this is a cuticle oil, and it's from cuticleoils.co, and I like the packaging. Look how cute that is. This retails for $22, and it says it helps restore brittle nails back to health, nourish your cuties and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. That's interesting. And it has like a dope foot applicator. I like this because the only cuticle oil that I have is one from like NCLA, and I mean, it's okay. It smells nice. It actually smells nice. This thing in here is from Makeup Geek. We actually got a Makeup Geek item in here, and this is a purple eyeliner. It retails for $7. Let's see if I don't have this color already. No, I don't have this color. I have a similar color, but I don't have this one. So this is the color. Very pretty. This is the packaging. Very nice. I like that. And the last thing in here is a palette, and this is from Ace Beauté, which I like. So this is called the Vintage Dawn palette. This retails for $35. Let's see. So it says it's 12 highly pigmented, gorgeous shades reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises from around the world. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. That's gorgeous. Wow. That is gorgeous. And then the color names are Sun, Daybreak, Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid, Fade, Serengeti, Cactus, Sky, and Dew. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm liking that palette a lot. So pretty. All right, guys. So as usual, this was a good box. I'm very excited to try the products out. My probably 2 least favorite products are the cuticle oil and the lip gloss, the Lip Advocate. But it's okay. I mean, they're not bad. So this box is super amazing. This box is always great. You guys know I love it. It's only $24.99 a month, and you get to try different brands. You get to try all these different products that you would have never tried, or brands that you would have never known of. So I definitely love them. And there's a lot of things, like my favorite skincare item is from this box. So, and I wouldn't have discovered it unless I would have tried this box. So I definitely love this box. It's one of my favorites. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. I want to do like a look with this palette. It's so beautiful. All right, guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.